Hello everyone! This video will display the products included in the Spooky2 Portable Central GeneratorX kit. Please check each product with the parcel list and ensure no parts are missing. Now, let's check the details of the Spooky2 Portable Central GeneratorX kit. Firstly, you will find one Spooky2 Central main unit with its power supply. There are two types of Spooky2 Plasma Tube, Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube, and Spooky2 Straight Plasma Tube. And there are three purchase options for this kit on our Spooky2 Mall website. According to your order, you will receive the corresponding plasma tube. Option 1, Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube. Option 2, Spooky2 Straight Plasma Tube. Option 3, Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube and Spooky2 Straight Plasma Tube. For Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube, we also prepare a Phanotron tube cover so that people use it to avoid those flickering lights. You will also receive one Spooky2 XM generator and one USB cable and its power adapter. There are two USB filter cables and two BNC filter cables specifically designed to connect generators to the Spooky2 Central unit. There is one Spooky2 ultrasonic and ultrasonic transmitter. Use them only with Spooky2 Central. And there is one 3.5mm audio to BNC cable. Use it to connect to the TENS cable for contact mode. There is one PEMF adapter. Use it to connect to Spooky2 PEMF with Spooky2 Central. You will also receive an additional bag of Spooky2 TENS pads, which includes 6 pairs of TENS pads. Now, let's check the details of the Spooky2 Portable GeneratorX Essential Kit. First, inside the portable bag, there is one Spooky2 GeneratorX, one power adapter. The correct power plugs will be equipped based on your country standards, and one USB cable. Here is one pair of Spooky2 stainless hand cylinders, which you can hold in your hands for contact treatment, or to use for a foot bath. In the kit, there is also a TENS cable and 2 bags of TENS pads, which can be placed on the body part you want to treat. Please do not place the TENS pads on or above your thyroid or on your heart. Here's the cold laser wrist, cold laser twin, and a pair of glasses which you will use during your cold laser treatment. There are 2 Spooky2 Remote 2.0 packed in this kit to hold your DNA sample for Spooky2 remote treatment. There is one Spooky2 PEMF coil, which can be connected to the generator or central, and it is ideal for frequency and printing. These 2 items are Spooky2 Sample Digitizer and Spooky2 Sample Digitizer replacement slides. They are used for direct GX scanning of biological samples, urine, saliva, blood, etc. This enables you to perform remote biofeedback scans. And there are also 2 Spooky2 Boost 3.1. You can use them to combine the power of both output channels of the generator and quadruple the output power. We have also prepared a test pen as a gift, but you need to prepare the battery yourself. You can use it to test if there is any problem with the Spooky2 Central box when your machines are not working properly. Thank you for watching this video.